Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your saved Instagram audio while creating any notes. So for example, let's go to any notes, and for example, I'll type any random note like I love this music. And now once I have shared this particular note, I can choose to have the music, and then I can click on this saved option right here, and then I can simply click on that particular music that I want to share. So for example, let's say this song right here, and then once I'm done, simply click on this arrow icon and choose the length of the song. So for example, like this length, and click on this tick mark icon and click on the share button, and you're all set to go. And here you can see that the note has been successfully shared. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.